problem here, it says k and n. K and n are constants and n is greater than 1. And the equation has no solution. So these look like two linear equations to me, or that's like a line. Like that could be y equals mx plus b, and that could be y equals mx plus b. So, and I know that if you have two lines, and let's say you have y equals mx plus b format. So for example, like if you have two lines like y equals 3x plus 7 and y equals 3x plus 5, these lines have the same slope. That means if you were to graph these lines, well, one would have the y-intercept at 7. Let's say that's like 7 right there. And it would have a slope like that. And the other one would have a y-intercept of 5 and a slope like that. And they're parallel. They're parallel because they have the same slope. Therefore, there's no solution. If they had different slopes, they would intersect and you'd have a solution. Or if they had infinite solutions, that meant that they were the same line. Like you had one line like on top of the other line, so they have all points in common. So basically, no solution is code for same slope. So you could match them up. You could do this a couple ways. So here, let me just write this down. So you have 2kx minus n equals negative 28 over 15x minus 36 over 19. Okay, let's go ahead and just distribute the 2 right here. So you're going to get 2kx minus 2n. Okay, and let's just go over, let me just copy this down again. So look, this is like a y equals mx plus b situation. And over here, this is also a y equals mx plus b situation. In fact, you could split them up. You could write the first one as y equals 2kx minus 2n, and the second one as, so I just wrote that down, right? And I'm going to write this down as y equals negative 28 over 15x minus 36 over 19. So in order for, let's say these two lines have no solution, they're slopes, just like right here, right? The m values have to be the same. In this case, we want all the stuff before the x to be the same. So we want these guys to be the same. And also, if it's a linear equation problem, you don't want to do it on Desmos, just do it by hand. If it was like a quadratic problem, like with a x squared, then you can do that in Desmos. All right, so watch this. I'm going to go change this color here. We're going to go 2k equals negative 28 over 15. Now I can just get k by itself. So I can multiply both sides by 1/2. That'll wipe with that. And then it'll be k equals negative 28, multiply across the top, multiply across the bottom, negative 28 over 30. I can reduce that, or so k, just do right there. K equals, just divide top and bottom by 4, I guess. Sorry, divide top and bottom by 2. So just chop them in half, negative 14 over 15. And that's the answer, negative 14 over 15.